Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a car enthusiast, a DIY mechanic, or just want to save money at the shop, you're going to love what we're reviewing today, the TOPDON ArtiDiag600 Elite OBD2 scanner. Let's see if this compact device lives up to the hype. Okay, let's go its feature. Powered by Android 11.0, the ArtiDiag600 Elite offers a smoother and faster diagnostic experience. With 2 GB RAM and 32 GB ROM, it ensures ample speed and storage for you to get the job done fast. The tool comes fully equipped with an OBD diagnostic cable, USB cable, quick start guide, and carrying case. Everything you need to get started, anytime, anywhere. Experience comprehensive vehicle diagnostics without breaking the bank. The ArtiDiag600 Elite OBD2 scanner offers a full system diagnosis scan, covering all vehicle systems from the engine, ABS, TCM, SAS, TPMS, and SRS with speed and accuracy. Easily read and clear DTCs, analyze real-time data, and access ECU information, all in one affordable tool. Take full control of vehicle health with ArtiDiag600 Elite. It not only supports 9 hot reset services like oil reset, throttle adaptation, and SAS reset, helping you tackle everyday tasks easily, but it is also packed with 4 in-demand services: AFS reset, AdBlue reset, stop-start, and Windows calibration. This scan tool covers all the routine car maintenance you'll ever need. The AD600 Elite is your go-to car diagnostic tool for over 70 brands and 10,000 vehicle models. With FCA gateway access, you can perform full diagnostics on newer vehicles, including Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, and Fiat models from 2017 onwards. Supporting the CAN-FD protocol, it works with 2024 models like GM's Blazer and Cadillac CT Series, and Chrysler's Grand Cherokee and Grand Wagoneer. Enjoy 2 years of free software and vehicle coverage updates to keep your ArtiDiag600 Elite up to date with the latest enhancements. You also receive a 1-year warranty, allowing you to use this scan tool with confidence. Pros: easy to use, Wi-Fi updates, covers 4 systems, not just engine codes, bright 5-inch touchscreen. And cons: doesn't support bidirectional control or advanced coding. Some newer vehicles may need a software update to be fully compatible. If you're looking for a powerful, easy-to-use diagnostic tool without breaking the bank, the TOPDON ArtiDiag600 Elite is a top pick. I'll drop a link in the description below if you want to check it out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell if you want more honest car tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy wrenching!